Get up. It's time to do farm chores.
I'll bust your ass. I'm so tired of you. You saw she shut the fuck up, didn't you? That's how I do my children. That's how y'all need to do y'all's children. Maybe they act better. This is my chicken purse. Shut the fuck up. Me and you about to go shopping, baby girl. And don't fucking play with us. You gonna quit trying to have all these damn babies. You are not your Auntie Kale. Hey, girl, you're in timeout. Stop it. We gotta go push the shit pile back. Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. That's a lot of shit. Oh my God. Rob! It's fucking hot as hell out here. I am ready to be cold. I'm ready for Elsa to just let it go on my fucking asshole. I am interested in a man 6 foot or above, beard. I do pay well. You know, I mean, $25 an hour, cash.